Do you ever feel guilty taking time for yourself? Like it feels too indulgent, that there's more valuable things you should be doing with your time. Like you identify as the reliable one, the giver, the caretaker, living in a constant state of being on, like hyper-productive, hyper-vigilant. Your nervous system reads stress as foreign and unsafe. This gets interpreted as guilt. The question is how to get from this feels indulgent to this is maintenance. This is what I need to do for myself to recharge and resource. There's a step-by-step way to make this shift. Start by validating the guilt. It makes sense you'd feel guilty. You've been taught that your value is in how much you do for others or how much gets done. So it makes sense that slowing down would stir up guilt. And then name the pattern. When you push through and don't take any time for yourself, think about what happens. You get exhausted, you get snappy, you isolate, shut down. So your body is telling you pretty loudly what happens when you override your own needs. And then recognize the consequence of that. So when you're exhausted or snappy, how does that affect the people that you're trying to show up for? Most of the time, that rubs off on them and then they get snappy and irritable. So the very thing that you want, a loving, caring environment, gets sabotaged when guilt gets to run the show. And then the next thing is just to allow yourself this moment. Notice your breath right in the middle of the guilt. See if you can soften your shoulders as you exhale. Soften the jaw. What do you notice now? The guilt can still be there. We're not trying to get rid of the guilt. We are inviting steadiness despite the guilt. So finally, invite this reframe that tending to yourself isn't selfish or a treat. It's fuel that makes you more present for everything else. Imagine giving yourself even 2 minutes a day. Where could steadiness take you? I invite you to leave a comment or send me a message. I would love to hear how this reframe has helped you.